Hello everyone, welcome to Shopify store setup and customization full tutorials with Dawn theme. If you have started your online business with Shopify and you want to customize your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, this course will be ultimate guideline for your professional Shopify online store. So as we have already completed a lot of part of this ongoing series tutorials, today we are going to work on the contract page and we are going to work on the footer menu pages. So in the previous class we have worked on the about us page. We make a individual about us page. We don't use the default design, we make it a little bit professional, but of course as our promise we make it pro level using customization, advanced customization, and also we'll add more picture. But right now just adding or using the default picture of Dawn theme, and today we are going to work on the contract page. So here is the contract page. You can see that this is the default contract page style, but we want to make a little bit professional. We want to add something more, some more information in here. Okay, to do this I'm going to my Shopify online store backend or dashboard. Okay, then click on the edit, and now select contact page. Here is the contact page. You see contact from, and the template selected contract. There is a individual template named contract, so we are going to work on here. So what's element we can add it to make it more professional or more user friendly or store friendly. Here you can see that we have added the dummy content for contract page, and we are going to work on that. So first of all we have to add the title contract as Pfizer Glow. So remove this page, remove this one, add tags or rich tags in here and move it on the top. Okay, and add contract as Pfizer Glow. Then we are going to add this information. Here is the information, we can add it. Perfect. Also okay, looks good. Then we have to add this info, get in touch. Okay, also the contact from. So from here we are going to remove the button, remove it, and then going to add another rich tags in here. Rich tags, going to add another section for rich text. Okay, and going to add this title, get in touch, and make it small. Remove others part just to make it pro level, and move this rich text on the top of contract. Okay, get in touch and remove the padding bottom. Perfect, get in touch. Then we are going to add this information. We can add this information on here. So what we can do in the rich text, we can add a block that's named text block. On the text block we can simply add this info, and or we can do another things in here. Let me show. Remove it. Here is the get in touch, then add new section, image with text. Yes, image with text, and in the image we add contract related image, contract. Yes, we use a image contract. Okay, looks good. And here we can add information like add this information, and we can change this text, get in touch, and remove it from here. Perfect, looks good. Then adding this image again, contacts. Okay, use this one and select, looks good. And then again we're going to add some information, contact from, just add this text in here, the contact from, heading, yes, heading size small, fill the from, looks good. Yeah, okay, it looks good so far than previous. Click on the save, and we can add customer care promise on here, like about us, and also connect with us. We can add social media account. So by default there are no option to add social media account, so we are missing this. But I want to keep this section so that I can add premium picture or premium design for this section. So going to add customer care promise, add new section in here, add section and multi-row, multi-column, customer care promise. In the customer care promise we are going to add this info. Okay, customer care promise. Okay, perfect. And remove the button from here, multi-column, remove button. Just keep it this section so that we can make premium pitch design for this section, but just adding the element to provide maximum information. And then contact with us, again the rich tags, add rich tags, yes, contact with us, and add this info on here. Perfect, and remove it. Okay, pro tips, no need the pro tips. Okay, that's good enough. And finally we have make a basic contact us page for our Shopify online store, and for now it's good enough to start. Just reload. Yes, it looks good. Let's see in here. Yes, but we have to make the pro level design. We'll do of course, but for now it's good enough to start selling your business. Okay, and you can keep hide this section until publish the pro level social follow button or like button in here, but it's good enough for now. Okay, we have completed our all the required page design, and also we have completed these pages. For example, you see all the page already created. For example, going to the shipping policy, you see here is the shipping policy information. You have to add your information by go to your shipping policy page or customize it. You can add maximum information. Also you can create shipping policy content using AI. It's super easy, just you have to import your business details, then you can make a ready-made content by AI. So in these tutorials we have completed all the basic setup for our store using the default p-chart. Everything has been completed, and from the next tutorials we are going to start customizing this drone theme, and after that we are going to start working on add premium p-chart or add development of this theme. So thank you so much for your time to continue this course, and hope you enjoyed this tutorials or class. If you think this class is helpful as a beginner, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.